If the only chord you know is a C major chord, I'm going to show you how to triple your chords right now. Not only that, but they're going to be cool sounding chords. So play a C major. When you play a C major chord, just play from 5 down. Then you're going to basically just take that C major, bring it up 2 frets, still strumming 5 down. That's a D chord. That's a really cool D chord that the pros use all the time, called a D suspended 4 chord. With that D chord, you're just going to also play from 5 down, just like with C major. Then you're going to bring that same C position up where finger 1 is on fret 10. And this is going to give you a chord that sounds like an E minor. It would serve the purpose of your 6 minor chord in your chord scale. You're going to play all 6 strings, just like you would with an E minor. But again, to make that happen, you need to, when you're on that E minor chord, you have to play all 6 to give it that dark feel. When you add that low E string, it gives you that feel of that E minor or that 6 minor sound. So I'd be playing C, D, E minor, C, D, E minor, D. And that's a really cool way to triple your chords if all you know is that C major chord. C,